Namaskar, Namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Bewidshree and I'm SHYAMASREE. So today I will be doing for the very first time on my channel, Get Ready with Bewidshree. Yes, and this is hashtag if you don't know. Yeah. So today is my nephew's Shoshti Namkaran. So I will be going there and so I have decked up like this. So without talking too much, let's get started. I have already moisturized my skin and then I will apply this ELF primer. Now I will mix the two foundations after this and will apply it in dots as you can see, and then we'll blend it with a damp beauty blender. All the product details will be mentioned in the description box. Please do check it. So after this I will be taking my concealer and will conceal my under eyes a little bit with a damp beauty blender. I will blend it again. And then I will take this brow pomade and will be doing my brows with angular brush. And also today I am showing you another alternative of cleaning the edges of the brows instead of a concealer. I will do it with a nude pencil as you can see here, and if you are in hurry you can try this method. Now I am taking my bronzer, Bahama Mama bronzer, and will contour my face a little bit, and keeping in mind it is a daytime makeup, so I am trying to keep everything very subtle. Now I will take my compact powder and will set my under eyes a little bit. Next step is using my blush. I'm taking this blush from NYX, and the way I'm showing it here, you should apply your blush like this. And after that I will take the damp beauty blender and this MAC cream base and will use it on my high points just like a highlighter. It's a cream base basically, it's in a light color. You can use it as eyeshadow as well. Now the interesting part, eyes, and as I told you I will be showing the smoky eyes by using fingers. So first we'll apply the kajal closer to our lash line. Need not have to be too perfect, but yes, and then smudge it as I am showing here and cover the lid area. We'll repeat the same for more intensity, but still keep everything very light. Now I'm using the bronzer on the crease. You can do it with finger if you don't have a brush, and also if you have a brush then you can go ahead with the brush. Yeah. And then to set the kajal I'm using black eyeshadow from the Nudes palette and applying over it. Then I'm taking the COLORBAR pencil and lining my lash line as you can see here. Then we'll take the black kajal and apply it in a lower waterline and smudge with the brown color. So keep on watching. Now I'm curling my lashes and will apply my mascara. Using my NYX setting spray and setting my face. Then we'll use this lip liner and line my lips as well as fill my lips, and then I will be using this NYX Suede liquid lipstick. The formula is not so dry, but it's a very good one, and we'll be applying it. Hi, so I'm back and I'm done with everything, and Ranjit was saying that I should make my lipstick a little bit dark, so pati ki thodi bahut sunni padti hai. I just added this little bit, I've darkened it, this color. I just topped it on my previous color and it just look like this now. So I hope you will be liking this first ever Get Ready With Me. So if you do like it, please do comment and let me know if you want to see Get Ready With Me whenever I get ready. Please do give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye and take care.